Hello friends, welcome to another video. I'm Brittany and tonight I'm at another Disney After Hours event. As you can see behind me, I'm at Epcot's. Epcot's is from 10 p.m. to 1 a.m. Park closes at 9, you can get in as early as 7, so you are getting a little bit of extra time over Hollywood Studios. In this video tonight, you already found out from my last video, if you haven't watched it, please go do so, that After Hours I think is totally worth the price. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about, do I think Epcot's is better than Hollywood Studios? Which one should you go to? They're kind of pricey, so which one do I think is like a better value? Number two, the rides here are more spread out than Hollywood Studios. So I fit in 8 at Hollywood Studios. Can we fit in 8 or more here? Also, a huge hurdle for tonight is actually to not get motion sick. You have a lot of motion sickness rides here at Epcot. You have Guardians of the Galaxy, you have Ratatouille, you have Soarin'. All of those are known to cause motion sickness in somebody that's sensitive. Brad's pretty sensitive. I'm a little sensitive, so we'll find out if we make it through the night. Let's head into the park. First ride of the night, Spaceship Earth. It's an oldie and it's a goodie.
And please watch your children.
Also, it's a walk-on.
Nemo! Why don't you drop by for a little bite?
Technically the event just started, so it's just now 10, but we've already got in a couple rides. My advice to you is if you want to ride pretty well everything, you want maximum rides, then start with the things that don't usually have lines, such as Spaceship Earth, Finding Nemo. Those things are going to be walk-ons anytime during the event, but at the beginning you're just burning time because you're waiting for the regular park guests to get through the lines of the big rides like Guardians and Frozen. We also got our first snacks. Snacks start at 10. So my favorite is most definitely the Mickey sandwich. Fantastic, love it. It's Oreo and then it has chocolate ice cream cookie sandwich inside. Also it's shaped like a Mickey, so that makes it taste even better. I'm going to eat this and then jump on Soarin', and then it's off to some bigger rides. So we just rode Soarin'. It's wonderful as ever. We are going to skip Living with the Land as of right now. It's like a 20-minute boat ride, and most of the time during the day it's a walk-on. So I suggest, if you're out of time, skip it and wait till the end of the night. If you have time, you can always go back to it. If not, you can always ride it next time you're here. Okay, Figment is also one you want to skip until the end, because there's never any wait during the day. We're headed to Ratatouille. Let's head around the lake. We got off Remy's and we felt a little nauseous, so we took a little bit of break and had some more water. You can't walk around the lake at night. I actually didn't know that. We came back through Canada and now we are going through Mexico. So we're gonna ride the Three Amigos first and hopefully cool down, because even though it is nighttime, it is summer in Florida and it is still hot. So prepare for that. Then we are going to ride my favorite ride here at Epcot, and that is Frozen. I try not to ever miss it. I absolutely love it. Let's go. Frozen had a little bit of a wait, but it's my favorite, so we couldn't miss it. We are headed over to Test Track now, which is Brad's favorite, and I think we'll have just enough time to finish with Guardians. Guys, we just made it. They keep that queue open until the very last minute. We got off Test Track, we booked it over here, I grabbed some popcorn along the way. Let's go ride. Alright, Guardians is just amazing. Makes me a little nauseous, but oh so good. It has been a long night. I am ready to go to bed. Thanks for sticking with me that long. I'm sure you're wondering, is this better than Hollywood Studios? I would say not. The ambiance and the mood of the park, even though they blare the DJ all over it, it's just, the vibe is a little down compared to Hollywood Studios. So if you want that like upbeat Disney After Hours vibe, I'd definitely head over to Hollywood Studios. However, if you are looking for the best bang for your buck ride-wise, Epcot has it. We were able to fit in a ton of rides tonight, most of which have over an hour wait, typical days at the park. It's pretty good. Thanks for joining me in this video and for a night at Epcot. I'll be back shortly with another video. Bye!